Remember the Jetsons? After seeing CES 2026, it feels like their robot-filled future is finally here. Let's dive in and see what your future home could look like. Let's start with the LG CLOiD, the star of CES this year. This isn't just another robot on display, it's a bold statement about the future of home living, and it's turning heads for good reason. This wheeled humanoid is the centerpiece of LG's zero-labor home concept. CLOiD doesn't just take commands, it understands context, like cleaning up a spill before you even ask. Imagine coming home after a long day to find your kitchen spotless, not because you cleaned it, but because CLOiD noticed the mess and took care of it on its own. It's proactive, not just reactive, and that's a game changer for busy households. It coordinates with every smart appliance in your home, acting as the conductor for your devices. CLOiD's advanced vision and tactile sensors let it adapt to real-world messes, not just showroom floors. Whether it's a sticky spill or a pile of dishes, CLOiD knows what to do and when to do it, making your home run smoother than ever before. It learns from its environment, so if you move your coffee machine, CLOiD adapts instantly. Its dexterous arms can handle everything from eggs to heavy milk jugs, folding shirts, and sorting recycling. The robot's ability to recognize and manipulate a wide range of household objects means it can take on tasks that used to require your full attention. CLOiD is always learning, getting better at anticipating your needs and personalizing its routines to fit your lifestyle. Safety is built in. Proximity sensors and soft bumpers let it navigate around pets and kids with ease. CLOiD schedules chores for efficiency, like running laundry when energy rates are lowest. It's designed to be a seamless part of your family, quietly working in the background without getting in the way, and always prioritizing safety and efficiency. LG's AI team trained it on unpredictable, real-life scenarios. Think dogs that shed and toddlers on the loose. It's not perfect. Speed and strength have limits, but CLOiD is a huge leap from the clumsy bots of the past. It can pause for a running child, avoid a napping pet, and even handle the chaos of a busy morning routine, all while learning and improving over time. Watching it at CES, it felt less like a gadget and more like a true home assistant. CLOiD is the first robot that feels ready for real life, not just a tech demo. People were genuinely interacting with it, asking questions, and seeing it handle real tasks, something that's been promised for years but rarely delivered. The zero-labor home vision is finally within reach. The future of home robotics is here, and it's actually useful. With CLOiD, we're seeing the first real steps toward a world where technology truly takes care of the little things, giving you more time for what matters most. Next up, the Neo series from 1X Tech, robots that learn by watching humans or being remotely piloted. These aren't just machines following pre-programmed routines. They're designed to observe, adapt, and grow smarter with every interaction. Imagine a robot that can watch you fold laundry, or set the table, and then do it itself the next time. Neo starts with teleoperation, where a human guides its actions, but quickly transitions to full autonomy, using advanced machine learning. Over time, it builds a library of skills, learning not just from one user, but from every NEO in the network. As each NEO learns, it shares new skills across the network, making every robot smarter. This collective intelligence means that a breakthrough in one home benefits all NEOs everywhere, accelerating their evolution. Safety is a priority. Robust collision avoidance and soft, flexible materials make NEOs safe for homes with kids, pets, or elderly family members. Its sensors constantly scan the environment, ensuring gentle interactions and preventing accidents. Neo adapts to changes. Rearrange your furniture or add a pet, and it quickly remaps and learns. It's always aware, always updating, and always ready to help, no matter how your home evolves. The Neo Gamma is tailored for elder care, with extra sensors and gentle routines. It can assist with mobility, medication reminders, and even provide companionship, making it a valuable partner for seniors and caregivers alike. It's already being trialed in assisted living facilities, earning praise for its reliable help. Early feedback highlights its ability to reduce staff workload and improve residents' quality of life. Neo can switch between remote control and autonomy, so it's always learning and improving. This flexibility means it can handle new situations, and users can step in whenever needed. Early adopters use Neos for everything from running errands to providing companionship. Some families even rely on Neo to help children with homework or keep elderly relatives company. The design is friendly and approachable, with expressive lights instead of a face. These visual cues help Neo communicate emotions and intentions, making interactions feel natural and engaging. Neo isn't just a tool, it's a household partner that evolves with your needs. As your family grows or your routines change, Neo keeps up, always ready to lend a hand. Robots are finally filling the gaps in our daily lives, not just automating chores, but becoming trusted companions and helpers in the modern home. If you're looking for an easy and accessible way to experience the future of home robotics, meet the SwitchBot Onero H1. This is a robot designed for everyone, whether you're a tech enthusiast or just want a little extra help around the house. The Onero H1 focuses on doing a few essential tasks exceptionally well, like picking up clutter from the floor, delivering items to family members, and acting as a mobile voice assistant that follows you from room to room. Its advanced perception system combines high-resolution cameras, LiDAR for precise mapping, and tactile sensors, allowing it to navigate complex spaces and handle objects with remarkable care and accuracy. Getting started is a breeze. Just unbox the Onero H1, connect it to your Wi-Fi using the companion app, and it will begin mapping your living space in just a few minutes, adapting to your home's unique layout. Onero H1 seamlessly integrates with your existing smart home devices, such as lights, thermostats, and security systems, so you don't have to change your setup or invest in new gadgets. It learns your daily routines, responds to voice commands, and coordinates with other SwitchBot devices, making your home smarter and more responsive to your needs. Thanks to its tactile feedback system, the Onero H1 grips objects with just the right amount of force, so it can safely handle everything from toys to delicate glassware. Families love it. Kids enjoy interacting with the friendly robot, and parents appreciate having an extra set of hands to help with daily chores and organization. It's also a fantastic companion for people with limited mobility or disabilities, offering greater independence by assisting with daily tasks and making life at home more comfortable. The Onero H1 is affordable, practical, and approachable, making it the perfect choice for anyone curious about home robots, or those who want to dip their toes into smart living without breaking the bank. With its friendly design and useful features, the Onero H1 is a simple, welcoming way to bring embodied AI into your home and experience the benefits of robotics in everyday life. Not every home needs a full-sized robot. Fauna Robotics Sprout is compact, safe, and versatile. At just 3.5 feet tall, Sprout fits anywhere: homes, classrooms, or offices. Simple, rugged grippers let it pick up books, pass out supplies, or help set the table. Sprout's modular design means you can swap grippers or add sensors as your needs change. Its navigation uses LiDAR and ultrasonic sensors to avoid obstacles and slow down for kids or pets. Expressive LED faces and friendly sounds make it approachable for children. At CES, Sprout helped teachers pass out art supplies and assisted students, quick, responsive, and intuitive. Built for durability, Sprout's simple mechanics mean fewer breakdowns and lower costs. It's a safe, reliable robot for any environment, proof that smaller can be better. Sprout is perfect for families, teachers, and anyone who wants a helpful, kid-friendly robot. Elephant Robotics offers interactive bionic companions and robotic arms for education, service, and hands-on tasks. The robotic arms can assemble gadgets, paint, or learn new tasks by demonstration, perfect for STEM education. Bionic companions act as learning partners, answering questions, helping with homework, or playing educational games. These robots are collaborative. Imagine a classroom where one helps with math while another builds a model. Easy integration means teachers, parents, or hobbyists can get started quickly. They connect via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth with plenty of resources and tutorials. Built for durability, they handle daily use in schools or at home. At CES, a bionic arm assembled a drone, while the companion bot guided students step by step. Elephant Robotics empowers people, making AI and automation accessible and fun. If you want robotics for learning or service, this is a hands-on, practical choice. Realbotix's Aria and David are humanoids designed for real, unscripted conversation. Their embedded AI processes language locally, making responses fast and private. At CES, people chatted with them about everything from the weather to movies. No awkward pauses, just natural conversation. These bots offer companionship for those living alone and act as digital assistants for families. They adapt their tone and style to each person, making every interaction feel personal. Expressive faces and gestures make them approachable, almost like talking to a friend. They won't fold your laundry, but for conversation and digital help, they're a huge leap forward. If you want a robot you can actually talk to, Aria and David are leading the way. Embodied AI is about more than chores, it's about real human connection. The Tian Kung series from X-Humanoid takes robots beyond basic chores. These bots autonomously sort, categorize, and move objects, like organizing mail or managing inventory with minimal human input. At CES, I watched one sort a pile of mail, flagging important documents and handling tedious tasks effortlessly.